Okay. Thank you guys for bidding on my 2011 Prime Signatures box break. We're going to open 5 boxes tonight. And then after that, we're going to follow with 2 boxes from the 2011 Limited. And then around 9 o'clock, about an hour from now, I'll be opening 2 boxes from 2013 Supreme and 2 from 2014. But let's get this rolling. Let's see if we can pull some nice cards tonight. And the list for the 2011 Panini Prime Sigs is right here. Get this to focus a little bit. There we go. And the list. 5 boxes. We got M. Fark right here on the Cowboys. Starting with 2011 Prime 6. 5 boxes. And here we go. Starting with box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully we can pull a nice card. Last week we got a Deion Sanders, number 6 of 20. Very nice autograph. And feel free, if you're in the chat room, type away. Makes it more interesting to me when I got people typing and talking. Have a little more fun. Okay. Slide this bad boy up. And starting off with the Atlanta Falcons, we've got Roddy White. Roddy White, numbered 320 of 499 of the Atlanta Falcons. Following that, Tony Romo, numbered 139 of 499. There we go. I would love to see a Rodgers. Pull Rodgers any day. And for the insert, we've got Jamal Charles, Prime Proof Green, number 10 of 25. 10 of 25. For the Kansas City Chiefs. Very nice looking card there. Green, numbered 10 of 25. Too bad the guy's out for the rest of the year. And first one, Redemption. Rookie signature. Ooh, Platinum. I think that means it's a 1 of 1. Is the Platinum 1 of 1 on this? Numbered 178. Let's find out who 178 is. Number 178 is Akeem Ayers. Akeem Ayers. Let me go up onto Beckett again. You think I'd have that loaded? I forget if he... I think he came up with the Tennessee Titans. I know he's with the Pats now, but I just want to make sure I get this right. Akeem Ayers, rookie signature platinum. Anyone, actually I'll just type that straight in up top. Football, 2011, Prime Signatures, Platinum, Akeem Ayers. Nope, it'll be numbered of 25, and that does go to the Titans. Does go to the Titans. And no, Romo, I know. Romo is, he's good in Ultimate Team Madden Football. But I threw this in a soft sleeve here. We've got the Titans. I'll put all the hits aside over here, and we'll go over them later. And that's the first box. Get these lines out of the way. Okay. Second box, guys. Box number 2. Prime Sigs. Let's see if we can get an actual autograph here. Seems, oops, sorry. Almost pulled that out of the way. My bad, guys. Box number 2. Hate redemptions. Got about 30 coming in right now. Okay. And here we go. Starting with the Pittsburgh Steelers, Jerome Bettis, number 352. A $4.99 Jerome Bettis base of the Steelers. Next up, the San Diego Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. Malcolm Floyd, number 90 of $4.99. We'll get the name on that, Malcolm Floyd. And for the Prime Proof, we've got a Josh Freeman. Josh Freeman, number 3 of 49. Josh Freeman. And for the hit, an autograph, Ryan Kerrigan of the Washington Redskins, number 21 of 199. Ryan Kerrigan of the Redskins. Pretty autograph there. And that's box number 2. Cut into box number 3, guys. Actually, kind of like doing multiple boxes at a time with this. I am going to be away next week, but then once I come back, I'll do another 5 boxes the following week after that, and see what else we can get from there. Okay. Coming up, starting with the Dallas Cowboys, numbered 40 of 499. Let's see if we can zoom in. 40 of 499. Ed Too Tall Jones of the Cowboys. Follow that up with the Chicago Bears, Rick Caceres. Rick Caceres. That is numbered 115 of 499. If we can get this one to zoom. There it is, 115 of 499. Rick Caceres, the Chicago Bears. Prime Proof of the 49ers, Roger Craig. Roger Craig, number 34 of 49, Roger Craig. Prime Proof. And with a hit of the Arizona Cardinals, nice legend here, Charlie Trippy. Charlie Trippy, numbered 18 of 60. 18 of 60. Charlie Trippy of the Cardinals. Very nice looking card there. Let's get those last 2 into these here. Alright, and that is box number 3. Number 4. Here we go. I think what I'll do is label the boxes next time. That way we know what box is which. Alright. Of the Miami Dolphins, Mark Duper. Mark Duper. Numbered 168 of 499, Mark Duper of the Dolphins. Followed by Jared Allen. Number 396 of 499, Jared Allen. Followed by Brandon Merriweather, Prime Proof. Brandon Merriweather. Numbered 59 of 99. Prime Proof, Brandon Merriweather. Followed by another Rick Caceres, Chicago Bears. Numbered 44 75 of the Bears. Rick Caceres Legend autograph. Very nice autograph there. Congrats, Centaur. Nice hit. And now we're going on to box number 5. Final box for the Prime Sigs. I'll probably get this, may try to get it on tonight. If not, it will be listed tomorrow morning on YouTube. Stefka Sports Cards. I am doing another break at 9 o'clock, so don't know how late I'm going to be up. But alright, starting with the Buffalo Bills. Thurman Thomas, number 316 of 499. Thurman Thomas. Followed by Sam Bradford. Come on. Sam Bradford's numbered 136 of 499. With a prime proof of Curtis Martin. Curtis Martin. 29 of 99. Curtis Martin. Prime proof. Oops, I think I put one of the prime proofs over here. And followed by the hit is KJ Wright of the Seattle Seahawks, number 23 of 49. KJ Wright, rookie autograph of the Seattle Seahawks. That goes to Chip. Very nice. We'll do a quick recap. And KJ Wright. It's going to be tough with the cases here. KJ Wright of the Seahawks. Rick Caceres. Following that, I'm going to adjust this camera a little bit. Let me move that up. There we go. Followed by Ryan Kerrigan. Rookie autograph. Legend Charlie Trippy. Numbered 18 of 60. Charlie Trippy. And then Akeem Ayers of the Titans. Alright guys, take a quick break. Gonna just save this video here.